What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. We're going to go over Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently we're sitting at 74 cents. We're down 0.49 on the day. So market cap is 6.87 billion. 24-hour volume 382 million. So let's hop into the charts. We were talking about in the Discord and probably in the last Matic video that we're looking for a lower low. So if we get that lower low, I'm likely to give a trade signal in the Discord for 10 bucks a month. So what I'm looking for is at least the golden ratio at 68 cents, potentially the 78.6 at 60 cents before seeing a nice bounce back to the upside. That's what I think is a higher probability. As you can see on the weekly chart, the 20 EMA is currently coming in right around 69 cents. And that lines up closely with our target zone. You can see 68 cents is the 61.8. So I think it's likely we're coming back to retest that 20 EMA on the weekly before seeing continuation to the upside. Looking at the price of Ethereum, I think Ethereum still going through its correction in the wave 4. And that will come down and retest this down sloping trend line, potentially test 1876 before seeing a bounce back to the upside in the wave 5. We are currently in an ETH trade. We hit all the way up to TP3 already. I've already locked in 80% gains, and I'll let this trade continue to run up in that wave 5. To lock in some more juicy profits. A signal was given in the Discord for 10 bucks a month. Daily chart, we're consolidating right at the neckline of this massive ascending triangle. So I think it's likely we come back down to retest that area right around 1890. Where's that target? 1876, 1890. Before bouncing back to the upside and seeing continuation up. So what I think is likely is you're going to create a higher high, possibly up to 2300, come back down, retest that wedge once again before seeing continuation back to the upside. That's what I think is the probable scenario for our friend Ethereum. And that's what I'll be looking for in the coming weeks. All right, gang. So one more lower low. I'll likely give a trade signal either at the golden ratio or the 78.6 in the Discord. We already have a bullish divergence on the 4 hour, so just watch that as well. And yeah, right up that wave 3. Let's say we come down to the golden ratio. I'll give you a wave 3 target. So what you can do is take your trend-based sub extension from the bottom of the wave 1 all the way up to the top. Let's say we come down to the golden ratio and we bounce. You would target the 1.618 for the wave 3, which is all the way up at $1.47. So that would be an extremely juicy trade of 112%. So a signal will be given in the Discord when I think the chart is ready to be entered for that long position for 10 bucks a month. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN for my US Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange all around the world. But of course, my US Canadian traders are getting shafted. Hop over to Bitfinex. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. My subscribers only can also win AirPods, AirPod Pro Max. All links in the description as well as the comments. For 10 bucks a month, you get my daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups. We just locked in more profits on Gala. We're in a trade for XRP. We're also in Ethereum, as you just saw. And more trade signals will be given. Crypto news, members like to post their profits in here. How to all place Forex signals, Forex analysis. We just recently hit TP1 on silver. We're looking to get into gold. All for 10 bucks a month. You spend $10 every single day. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.